about that one.
Cheese.
I'm in the rare cheese club.
Not me?
In each shipment, you will sample 3 traditionally made limited production artisan cheeses totaling around 1.5 pounds each expertly selected from around the world.
Mama, guess what?
Well, I don't know. In pursuit of cheese.
At school in the gym, do this.
Butchie!
And then,
Good.
and then when the cases are coming, then you do this.
Whoa. El abuelo Ruperto huele a pedo. Oh my god. Alpha Tolman.
And then guess what? Something will get rolled over us, and guess
Sal
what?
Jorge.
Something will get rolled over us, and guess what?
El abuelo.
And guess what?
What?
We jumped when the thing was rolling over.
Yeah, you got your head taken off. Veronica. So I can stay cheesy. Baby. Oh my god, this is a lot of cheese. Hopefully it tastes good.
No kidding.
We're gonna have to have a cheese party. Pickle red pepper. Mobe. Havarti!
What?
I love that cheese. Okay, maybe I can't. Look at it, I got cheese. 6 cheeses. Ooh, should I get my toe? Oh!
I need to have brown things today.
Huele a pizza. Oh my god.
Guess who sat with you today?
Wanna try it?
Guess who sat with you
Yeah, am I
today?
gonna like it or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who sat with you today?
Violetta and
It's spicy
Is it?
in a weird way.
Violetta and Lucia.
That's good.
They, the cafeteria,
Not bad.
In the cafeteria. Oh, this one's gonna be cheesy. You know what's weird is it's making me super itchy.
Interesting.
I don't know about that one. Wanna try it? Oh,
Oh, that's fancy looking.
oh, that's pretty. That's buttery. Don't eat the rind, okay?
Why?
Wow! That is special.
Interesting.
And then you get like almost garlicky oil.
Definitely Un-American.
I'm scared of this one. Oops. Oh. Don't come after me, cheese people.
Why?
Because I'm cutting it wrong, probably.
Oh.
Woo, that's strong.
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
guess what? I wanted to change my name. I did.
That would be so good in a sandwich.
Mama did change my name.
You did.
You changed your name to what? Uh-oh.
What?
No.
Name to what?
Blue strip.
What's your name?
Illinois.
Hey! Oh, that is so good.
Mommy, how about this? What? Mama?
Yeah, baby, go get out and go to mine because I need to see where we have to.
No, it kind of just tasting the same now.
What?
Mama, where's the Dia de los Presidentes? What is that?
President's Day. This cheese is
Oh,
what
it's
I was
good.
just gonna send my dad to get.
Yeah?
Oh, but this one is good.
Oh, it's good. No, not my favorite.
I think that is my favorite. Okay. And this one is so good. These two made me. This made me itch. I've never itched from cheese in my life. Like, what the? Try it again.